Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to compare two leading payroll platforms, Gusto and ADP. Which one is actually better for your business? Let's break it down. First up is Gusto. Gusto is known for being user-friendly and perfect for small to medium-sized businesses. It's an all-in-one platform that handles payroll, benefits, time tracking, and even HR management. What makes Gusto stand out is its intuitive interface and easy setup. It also offers features like automatic tax filing, direct deposit, and even employee self-onboarding. Plus, Gusto is super affordable, making it a popular choice for startups and growing businesses. Now let's talk about ADP. ADP is one of the biggest names in payroll and has been around for a long time. It's ideal for larger companies or businesses with more complex payroll needs. ADP offers scalable solutions that can handle everything from payroll to HR tools, compliance, and global workforce management. It's incredibly robust and offers a wide range of services. But the trade-off is that ADP can be more expensive and has a steeper learning curve compared to Gusto. So, which is actually better? Well, if you're a small to mid-sized business looking for a simple, affordable payroll solution with great features, then Gusto is a fantastic choice. But if you run a large company or need advanced features for managing a big workforce, then ADP might be the better fit.